it's easy to find one another because we've worked with each other before. It is not going to be a unity of Africa through speeches and rhetorics. It must be actioned through the shop floor, picket lines, and in the schools. The problems of Zimbabweans in the restaurant is a problem of South Africans. So they must all be treated equally and they must all be paid the same. Others should not be paid less salaries because they are called Zimbabweans. All those points were made very clear. The Kream leadership apologized for their misbehavior and they blamed it on their legal department, that someone who was gave them a letter not to engage with us. But after they engaged with us outside, they realized there is no need not to engage. I don't understand why they were even refusing to engage, because they all had their facts in order. They had the list of their employees, their ID numbers, their passports. They were ready to go to town to prove to us that they are indeed compliant, and they are trying to make sure that they employ as many South Africans as possible. So it was unfortunate, and they have apologized for that conduct, an apology which we accepted, because ours is to ensure that the rights of workers are protected and South Africans are given a priority when it comes to employment. But that does not mean our Zimbabwean, Lesotho, Swaziland, fellow African brothers and sisters should not be employed. We raised the issue of tips, that the tips must go to the workers, and that the workers must be guaranteed salaries. They must know how much, especially those who are employed permanently, how much are they earning, and everything else will be a bonus through tips and all of that. In Kream, they said they tax those